Morning, Mr. McManigal.
Good afternoon.
Oh, good afternoon. Excuse me. Where are you currently employed, sir?
I am currently employed as a sergeant with the Charleston County Sheriff's Office.
All right. And what do your duties there entail?
I'm currently assigned to the United States Secret Service as a task force officer on the cyber fraud task force.
All right. And generally, in your work on the cybercrimes task force, what does that entail?
I'm a digital forensic examiner, so I'm responsible for gathering electronic data from computers, tablets, cell phones, DVRs, vehicle infotainment systems.
All right. And when you say task force officer for the state, for the Secret Service is a federal agency, is that correct?
That is correct.
But you're actually paid and are still an officer with the Charleston County Sheriff's Office, is that correct?
That's also correct.
All right. Okay. In this case, you provided some records in June of 2021 by an individual by the name of Dylan Hightower, is that correct?
That is correct.
And what did he provide you?
He provided me with a electronic extraction from a cell phone that was extracted as binary data and not yet processed by forensic software.
All right. And when he provided that to you, did he tell you which phone it was from?
I believe he said it was belonged to Alex Murdaugh.
Okay. And that's the one he extracted from Alex Murdaugh on June 10th of 2021?
That is correct.
And what did you do with that information that he provided you, or that data?
I was asked to redact potential client lawyer privileged information by reducing it down to a certain time frame that was more pertinent to the case and potentially reducing any privileged communication.
And did you make the decision of what to remove and what not to remove personally?
I did not. The decision of what to remove was made by Price Summer with the Ninth Circuit Solicitor's Office.
And she's an attorney?
She is an attorney.
All right. And you then produced a redacted copy of the digital evidence, is that correct?
That is correct.
And you provided that back to Dylan Hightower?
That is correct.
Did you provide any further analysis to the data itself?
I did not.
Did you redact any call logs from that data you're providing?
Call logs were not redacted at all.
All right. Let's move on. You've also been involved in one other aspect of this case. I'm sure it's been marked as States Exhibit 299. Do you recognize that, sir?
I do.
What is it?
This is a chain of custody form from the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division, which we commonly refer to as SLED.
All right. And do you see any handwriting on there that is yours?
I do.
All right. And what date did you sign that form?
June 9th, 2021.
Okay. And that form is related to what phone exactly?
There was a Apple iPhone 11 that was collected and brought to me by Special Agent Ryan Kelly with SLED.
Okay. And was that phone locked when he provided it to you?
It was.
And did you, in your forensic investigation, did you attempt to unlock the phone?
I did.
Were you successful?
I was not.
And is that Paul's phone?
I believe it was, yes, sir.
All right. And at this time, State would move to Exhibit 299 to evidence.
No objection, Your Honor.
So move it.
And I'm going to hand you what's been marked, excuse me. Hand you what's been marked as State's Exhibit 274. This is going to be for ID purposes only. Let me ask you if you recognize that, sir.
I do.
And what is that?
This is the iPhone 11 that was brought to me by Special Agent Ryan Kelly, the SLED.
And that's the phone you attempted to unlock but were unsuccessful, correct?
That is correct.
All right. And I believe on that bag there's an orange sticker. Do you see that, sir?
Yes, sir, I do.
What is that orange sticker?
This is a sticker I place on devices that I have attempted to process or processed successfully.
Okay. And at this time, State's going to move to put this in as ID only.
No objection, ID only, Your Honor.
This time, I'm going to hand you State's Exhibit 298. Do you recognize that, sir?
Yes, sir, I do.
And what is that?
This is also a chain of custody report from the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division, SLED.
All right. And do you recognize your signature on that form, sir?
I do.
What date, excuse me, did you sign that?
This is August 12th, 2021.
And what does that form signify?
This is the date I returned the phone to Special Agent Kelly.
And at this time, State would move to place Exhibit 298 in evidence.
No objection, Your Honor.
And so you attempted to unlock Paul's phone, correct?
That is correct.
And you were unsuccessful.
That is also correct.
Did you alter in any other way the data that was on Paul's phone during that time?
No, sir.
No further questions, Ms. State.
Cross-examination.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Philip Barber. I'm one of the attorneys for Mr. Murdaugh.
Good afternoon.
I really just have one question. When you received this phone, was the battery completely dead?
The phone was powered off when I received it.
Did you charge the phone after you received it?
I did.
But do you know whether or not it was completely dead, battery dead when you received
I
it?
do not recall if the battery was completely drained.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Anything further?
Nothing from the State.
Thank you. You may step down.
Thank